Today we're gonna do a mix of tsunami tile and grout cleaner, 2 scoops per gallon. I'm gonna use this jar for 2.5 gallons. So right here is 1 gallon, 2 scoops per gallon, 4, that means 2 gallons and a half. So 1 more. I'm gonna mix hot water. I'm gonna make sure that the tsunami by Sailor sauce I bought it in Don John is mixed completely. This is a super concentrated product, and I'm gonna dilute it in this container and spread with a flat map in all this tile and grout surface. Tsunami is already dissolved, and I'm gonna pour in this jar with some water and mix it. It's 2 scoops per gallon of water, hot water. There we go. Perfect. In the master bathroom, everything is clean and sanitized, everything. So now what we need is a flat map and my concentrated product, my tsunami. I'm gonna pour some product here. Pick it up these things from the floor and let the product work for me instead of I'm working so hard. So let's do it. Okay, I already poured the product. At least minimum 25 minutes, 30 minutes. The key is to not let the product dry on the surface. That's the most important part. All corners. Still spreading the product. I love this time. Behind the bathroom's cabinet is an edge that is tile, so I don't have to worry about I need this one. I spread in the middle of the room and spreading my product, and I'm gonna let it sit. Always be careful on your corners. They remodeled this house, so there is some paint on the floor. But with the spinner, it's gonna be out. Kitchen has under the kitchen cabinet has tiles, so that's awesome. So we don't have to protect the cabinets. It's time. Yes.
Quedó parejo, todo súper.
Yeah. Still a little bit wet. We are waiting for the owners to come. And we're gonna seal